Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can view or delete your purchase history in the App Store. So the first thing that we're doing is we're opening up our App Store application and then clicking on our profile icon. Once that pops up, click on Purchased, and now you can view the recent applications that were purchased on this iPhone. You can view another list by clicking on Not on this iPhone, and then you will also see the list of applications that was purchased using different Apple ID tags. If you swipe one of these applications to the left, you will notice that there is a hide button where you can hide or delete your purchase history. Now, if you want to check on the previously hidden applications on this iPhone, then go to your settings and then click on your Apple ID tag, and then from there, go to the media and purchases, click on view account, and then scroll down until you see the hidden purchases, and now you will see the list of hidden applications. You can go ahead and unhide them if you want to, or leave this list as it is. That will be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future videos.